Powers playlist. In today's video, we are going to see how we are going to use Kangula Hasta and its different meanings.
KANGULA HASTA VINIYOGA लकुचस्य फले बालकिन्किन्याम् घण्टिकार्तके चकोरे क्रमुके बालकुचे कलहारके तथा चातके नालिकेरे च काङ्गुलो युजते करः.
Thanks for watching.
If you liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.